Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to jump start Honda Odyssey, only ways. Park both vehicles close, engines off, parking brakes on, and hoods open. Identify positive and negative terminals and clear corrosion. Connect red clamp to dead positive, red to donor positive, black to donor negative, last black to unpainted metal ground on the Odyssey. Start donor, wait 2 minutes, then start Odyssey. Disconnect clamps in reverse order and secure cables. Keep jaws clear, wear gloves, and remove loose jewelry. Confirm battery voltages if possible and use only reliable jumper cables. Avoid smoking or sparks near batteries. Position clamps firmly to prevent slippage and do not let clamps touch. If battery is cracked or leaking, stop and call for help. After starting, let engine idle 5 minutes to recharge battery and check dash for warning lights before driving. Keep a flashlight and first aid kit in the car. Quick recommendation: if you find this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, check out the leak-proof containers seen here. Bento box make meal prep easy and avoid spills, a handy item for road trips and emergency snacks. I use them in my trunk with cables and gloves for organization. See the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Common mistakes include reversing clamp polarity, starting too soon, and using weak cables. If the Odyssey does not start after several tries, allow batteries to rest and try again. Consider battery replacement if it repeatedly fails to hold a charge. If electrical systems behave oddly after starting, inspect fuses and alternator or visit a mechanic. Always secure cables after use and monitor vehicle performance for the next few days carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.